saying on GBP USD right now. So this is a chart of GBP USD. If you check, like I said, chart trends up at some point, trends to the downside, right? So this is a downtrend right now on GBP USD. So let's follow the trend. Okay, of course, this is a break of structure, break of structures, break of structures. Like I said, structures are being broken to the downside, right? So once it does that, you just follow the trend. Know the recent structure break. This is recent. We call it a break of structure. Okay, break of structure. Then we keep following the market until we take nice opportunity from the chart. So let's go, guys. Let me play this chart and see. Now we keep waiting. This is a pullback. Now a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure over here. This is a break of structure. Okay, so we keep following the market. So our recent high is this. Okay, so we want to form a recent low, and that will be where market start pulling back. It has pulled back. Okay, play. Yeah, yeah. So this is a break of structure now. Just follow me. Let's do this together. So this is no longer the recent high. This becomes the recent high. Okay, I hope you're understanding this because we need to follow it judiciously. So before this pullback started, let me remove this. Ordinarily, we are supposed to bring our um, Fibonacci retracement from this recent to the recent low, right? So by so doing, this will be our point of interest, the 618 and 78 level, right? This is where we want the market to come and retest. That is, it comes in there before we sell. Remember, we are selling a downtrend and we are buying an uptrend. So this is our point of interest. Okay, so play this and let's see. So now market came back there. There was no liquidity before this point of interest. Ordinarily, what we are expected is before the point of interest, let there be a liquidity sweep. What I mean by liquidity sweep is this. The market is supposed to come here, do something like this, okay, before going back, then we sell. Exactly this is our expectation. So, but unfortunately, the market ran straight into that point of interest, no liquidity. Therefore, the concept 2 applies, where we now make point of interest a pool of liquidity zone. Okay, so this is where we are expecting these guys to liquidate. Okay, sweep money. Then our next point of interest becomes in between 78 level and 100. Okay, so this is POI 2, which we are now going to wait for because POI 1 has been invalidated. So this is POI 2. Okay, so let us see what happens because good, they are playing out fine in that interest zone. So now, good, they have generated a lot of inducements. People are still holding this trade because they think their take profit is obviously this support. Okay, so it has induced them. So we are now pulling back to the next POI, which is exactly where we are going to trade. So let's play this. Okay, good. Now the market tapped into that zone. So right now, let us go to 15 minutes time frame and see a confirmation. Okay, so while the market is going back into the point of interest, we are going to be watching the market trend towards that zone on a 15 minutes time frame. This is the point of interest. Let me change the color to create a difference. Let's say yellow. Okay, this is POI 2. Remember, the yellow one is the POI 2, the ash one is the POI 1. Don't forget. So we are now waiting for the market to go back to POI 2 and show us a change of character, 15 minutes change of character. So let's see. Now it's there. Okay, it's there now. Let's wait for good. This is a switch right now. So this is impulsive pullback, impulsive, then a change of character, 15 minutes change of character. See, this it make the line tick. So we are now bearish. All protocol duly observed. We can now sell GBP right? Remember the strategy. So let me play this. My network. Sorry, guys. My network hangs. So let's do this carefully. Good. So as it is now, we are going to sell GBP 100% because we have gotten a break of structure here. Okay, then a change of character here. So we are now bearish. What we do now is we are going to wait for this market to pull back into 15 minutes premium and then we sell, or give us a breakout vibe, a breakout strategy. This is another strategy. Pull up a bit, then as long as it breaks out this zone, then we crash to the downside. These are two methods which we use in trading in this system. So let's see what it's going to give us. Now this is a valid pullback here, and then a breakout strategy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring my short tool, short. Okay, I'm going to risk 20 pips on this trade, just 20 pips. Take profit should be the support of a higher time frame, which is 4 hours. Then we now start running this trade. Press play, 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 play. Let me extend this also. We keep holding this. Let's see. We extend this to okay. Patiently on this. Remember, stop loss on this trade is 20 pips, and take profit is the higher time frames support. Let me also share this to this point. Good. Take profit has been smashed. Okay. So if you now go to 4 hour time frame, you see all this play out perfectly well. Okay. Now this is it. Markets came coming into point of interest too. You saw that red line. You saw the confirmation we used, and now we have hit our take profit. Smashed. Now let me give you another illustration so that we add it to this, then we can summarize the setup. All right, this is on GBP USD still. We are looking at a downtrend, obviously, and this is a break of structure. Okay, clearly taken out. So we are still going to follow the market, and I want to illustrate all I have taught you real quick. So the market is pulling back now. So obviously, you have to bring your Fibonacci retracement from the recent, connect it, then you establish your point of interest. So let me remove all these crazy trend lines. This is your POI, right? Point of interest one, the first one. So I can call it POI 1, point of interest, POI 1. Okay, so we are expecting the market to come in here, but before it comes here, there should be a liquidity, kind of liquidity pool. And even if it comes into the point of interest, there should be a certain confirmation we need to see before we take a sell. We don't just take a sell because it's there, right? So let's play, guys. Let's see. Now, obviously, our market has pulled a lot of inducement there. You saw this liquidity, very clear. So let me not yes. What did I do right now? Let me put it back. Is a point of interest. I can remove my Fibonacci retracement tool. Then let us remove this and see what the market did before the point of interest. Now the market came before the POI, built liquidity. These are inducements, inducing people to do what? To start selling on time. So that validates our point of interest, like I told you, right? So we are not selling with them. We are waiting for the market to do what? After inducing them, we pull back to sell off, right? Okay, sorry, let me answer a call. I will get back shortly. All right, welcome back, guys. Sorry, I had to take a call. That's why. So we have to liquidate these guys, right? Then come back to point of interest one, and then we sell, right? So that's exactly what we are doing now. We are waiting for the market to pull in there, and then we sell. So we patiently wait for that to happen. Okay, so they're still calling me. Sorry, guys. Hello, Alpha. Not really. In the next 10 minutes. Yeah. Yes. I'll call you. Yes. Okay. All right. Sorry guys for that call and bridging network. So let us continue. So let me play this and we see. So good. We are now sweeping that liquidity. You saw that clearly. Market has swept all of them, but we have to wait for the market to pull in properly, okay, before we sell. Now this is it, guys. Market has pulled into 618 and 78 level, and you literally saw how this market crashed after liquidating them, right? This is it. Market came into that zone, then someone will be shorting. And remember, you have to take your confirmation from 15 minutes time frame. Your stop loss can't be this wide, guys. It's just maximumly 28 or 25 pips. Then this is your take profit zone. Okay, then let's see it play out, guys. Play out, fine, fine, good. Take profit has been smashed. Your take profit should be this support here. Okay, so that is it for the case one. You saw how it happened. So let me continue. This call I answered is actually distracting me. So we have smashed take profits. We keep following the market and the trend. Follow the trend. So let me play more. Good. This is a pullback happening now, and the break of structure established. This is a break of structure. BOS. Okay. Then make the line thicker than that. Good. So this is a pullback happening. So obviously, your Fibonacci retracement should be drawn from here to here. So where do you think your point of interest will be? This will be your next point of interest, right? Extend this to this place. Obviously, in this particular case, you can see what is happening. When the market came into the point of interest, it did not create any liquidity. Let me just delete this again. Okay, pullback has started. Ordinarily, from the concept, you should have something like this before the point of interest, then pull back before we sell off. That is the concept, right? But in this case, let's see what happens. Play. You see the market going up with a broader momentum. Now it pulls into that 618. Now we are not selling because they will use that block as a liquidity zone. So inside this zone, make the line dotted, shows liquidity. So we are not going to sell from here. Rather, we are going to sell from the next block, which is in between 78 and the 100 level. Let me change the color to green. Good. This last block, or rather, the color should go. Yes, this is better. Then label it POI2, POI2, and this is POI1. No, this POI1, POI1. Good. So POI1 is no longer going to hold because of this action. Inducement is actually happening in there. Therefore, POI2 becomes more valid. Okay, more valid. Yeah, this is it. And so the whole of this region is where we are going to take a sell. So patiently wait for the market to come sweep them before we take good. Now they have been swept, but the market is not yet in that point of interest. So patiently, good. Now have you seen this? Market has tapped into this zone. So once it is in the zone, what do you do? Expect a reversal from that zone. Expect what? A reversal. But first, let us see a 15 minutes switching what? Bearish. That is change of character. So remember the third concept. Sometimes they sweep all the whole liquidity by closing with a weak rejection. So I will allow this 4-hour candle to close. Let's see what it's going to do. Now it closed, and before it closed, if you observe, it closed with a weak rejection. This is it, which is sweeping the third floor liquidity. Okay, so what we are going to do is once the market pull back into point of interest two, 15 minutes which switch bearish. If 15 minutes goes bearish, then we are going to sell. Okay, so this is it. Looking at 15 minutes time frame as is inside the zone, it pulls back, break of structure. You can see this clearly. Market ready to the upside. Okay, this is another break of structure here. Good. Then let us press play Follow 15 minutes time frame carefully, carefully, carefully. Good. Change of character. This is it. Change of character. 15 minutes. So 15 minutes right now, inside point of interest 2 has switched bearish, and therefore I will just have to put a short tool from here, risking 20 pips only. Okay, 20 pips. Then target should be 4 hours support. Let's go. 4 hours support. Extend this way. Yeah, so 15 minutes. So let's play this under 15 minutes. Watch the trade under 15 minutes. Now see, the market is running smoothly in profit. Smoothly in profit, guys. So let's keep going in profit, in profit, in profit. Now we have, right now we are even securing more than 100 pips as we speak. Okay, in profit, very fast till take profit hits. Let's go, let's go, let's go. TP hits. Yeah, here we go, guys. Take profit has been hit. Now you'll be surprised, why are they running so fast? Yeah, they will run this fast because they have done what they want to do. Imagine a pullback that almost swept the last floor liquidity, because Forex is manipulation. They already know that people are waiting to sell from here. Some people sold here until they swept sellers here, and even swept sellers at this point. People that we have been selling, let's say on around Wednesday, 30th of October, they also came to destroy them. Look at this point by with this weak rejection. Now they are sure that nobody, if as few traders in the market, and that's why you see this massive crash. Okay, I think I've represented what I want to show you. For uptrend, you can come and see more of that. Okay, you can ask me questions on my WhatsApp, I will answer you. But this is enough for you to understand all the concepts. What I've explained here, go to your chart and do the work. Okay, we have more to explain. We have DB concept, breakout concept, reversal concept, flip zone concept. Okay, all these things need to be put together before you can take effective trades. Right now, let's go to the next part quickly.